I know that this eyelash, this part of the eyelash is going to bother y'all because it was bothering me and I spent like 10-15 minutes trying to fix it. It ain't gonna fix. So me and you together, we're just gonna have to get over it. So today, what is this? What a huh. Today I'm just gonna be, showing y'all this look that I did using all of the It's My Raye Raye collection. Well, I think, wait, hold on. Wait, quick question. This this eyeshadow palette is her second one. I guess, yeah, it is. I don't have the first one because I didn't get the first one. So, anyways, I'm going to be using her palette, also her brushes, and her lip products. I'm only wearing 2, even though I have 3, but I'm gonna show y'all so y'all know I'm not lying. I don't want to be out here called a liar, okay? That's happening too much in this community right now. So here is the palette right here. It's just called It's My Raye Raye. I gotta stop talking like that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Here's all the colors. They're so pretty. And I'm gonna tell you right now, these were super easy and super fun to work with. Hello. I mean, catch the eye. Catch it. Catch it. Hold on to it. Wind it up. Throw it back. Thank you. And also, like I said, I use all the brushes in the It's My Raye Raye brush set right here as well. These are literally all 9 of them. There's only one brush that I use that wasn't a part of the collection because I didn't feel like cleaning it. This is an old Cillian Cashel brush. I did use it. You'll see when I use it, but I used it. And then these are the 3 lip products. So this is the lip gloss, liquid lipstick, and the lipstick. They all have the same shade name, which is Rosy Ray. And today I'm wearing the liquid lip and the lip gloss together. So I got all these products off of BH Cosmetics website. Let's see, with the brush set, it was on sale, I believe. I forgot how much it was. 2 of the lip products were actually like in the sale section. Either it was clearance or sale, whatever. I got it for like 50% off anyways. And the lip gloss I actually got for free with the eyeshadow palette. So BH Cosmetics apparently does like a whole bunch of sales like all the time, every week. So I mean, go check if there's something happening over there right now for it. You might get a free lip gloss or something, or a free lipstick, or a free liquid lipstick. I don't know. Just go and check. Let's just go on ahead and get to the look. Let's get to the look. The look. I felt like I was gonna throw up for a second. So I hope y'all enjoyed the look. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, because this is not really like, it's kind of like a review. Not really. I just don't want to sit down and talk about each and every product. Basically everything is good. Alright, the palette, A1 sauce. I keep grabbing this thinking this is a palette. That's just the cardboard. Like, you have enough to do your simple basic looks every day, and then you have splashes of color to mix it up. Okay, that is it. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Also comment down below if you have this palette. Will you be buying this palette? Do you like this look? Because I like this look a lot. Also, if y'all want me to play with this palette more, then I will. I mean, I kind of already have like some ideas on what other looks I want to do. So yeah, I want to go back to making eye look videos. I really don't, because it's a lot. Like, y'all, it'd be a lot. I will leave the full product list if you just want to like sit down and look at the list on my beauty Instagram page when this video goes up. If you are subscribed, please click that notification bell to get notified every time I post. And if you are not subscribed, please do, because we're trying to get this channel up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the by the end of the year, and I think it would be pretty cool if we can make that happen. Sorry, I got confused. I was also thinking about something else. Something like good happened. I'll tell y'all. I like had an audition for a dance studio for a scholarship, and this is my second time auditioning because like I didn't get it the first time, and I was really sad, but guess what? I got it this time. So yeah, I'm just really happy. Okay, it's actually time. It's time for me to go. Okay, wait, my rings are in here. Who uses shirt pockets though? Apparently me. Alright, deuces, fam. Fam? Did I really? Bye, y'all.
Comigo do fuzil no seu brilho.